Hey, Ghostette Dani here, and with another room tour. And of course, once again, we have waited till the last minute, so I'm sorry this is going to be quick, but I'm going to try to get as much info in as I can. We're at Animal Kingdom Lodge. We are in Jambo House. We're in a DVC room. We're in a one-bedroom villa. We have another tour that's also a one-bedroom villa, and it is a very different room than this. So you can get different rooms, all called one-bedroom villas. So Jambo House, one-bedroom villa. Here we go. So we're in the entryway. So we're in the kitchen. So we have sort of a kitchen island, which is nice. It is a DVC room in a villa, so we have full kitchen, we have full fridge, freezer, we have a 4-slot toaster, coffee maker, actual coffee pot coffee maker, not the pod kind. We have the beautiful, of course, beautiful tile work. I love the tile work here at Animal Kingdom. So stove, oven, microwave, full-size dishwasher. Not a ton of counter space, but you know, it is. So it's somewhere between a kitchenette kitchen, I guess. So anyway, plenty of amenities. Everything is stocked really well. Again, as a DVC villa, you get real dishes, which is always great. So kitchen, pretty small. And I'd like to show off also just these beautiful themed lights, because the best thing about Animal Kingdom Lodge really is just the artwork and the theming everywhere. So little dining area, which I love. I love how the legs of the table are giraffe feet, super fun. So bench and some chairs. So entertainment here. So I think there is a one-bedroom villa where this is where the pull-out bed is, and that's not in this particular room. So outlet charging situation is great. So you've got the ledge, and down here 2 regular outlets and a USB port and a USB-C port. Over here 2 regular outlets, 2 USB ports. So we have the couch. Couch is a pull-out. So now I'm always looking out for my people with back problems, and I will put a serious warning on this one. Our son slept on this. I laid on it for maybe a minute. And not only will I tell you that if you have back problems, you cannot sleep on this, I will tell you that if you don't have back problems, I think this could give you back problems. Unfortunately, this pull-out is a terrible bed situation, so I would advise against counting on this for adults. So table is usually in the middle. We put everything out of the way because, as I said, we had someone sleeping on the pullout. This is the veranda with our beautiful Savannah view. I wish I could show you an animal right now. There have consistently been a lot of animals out here, but in this particular moment, there is only a zebra over there behind the trees. So I also want to show these awesome chairs that they have with the zebra, which is just really fun. So now we'll go into down the hall, and straight down the hall where we have the laundry. Back the laundry. The other Ghostette is hiding in the laundry. So works great. We've used them both. No complaint. The only thing that I will say is this washer is very loud. So if you're thinking that you're gonna put a load in and take a nap, or even watch TV, I don't know if that'd be great. I would say maybe put a load in when you're gonna go to lunch or something, because it was very loud. Okay, so bathroom, lovely big bathroom, really big vanity area, big mirror. This place also has the makeup mirror, which is great. So we've got the lights around the mirror, and then we've also got the ones out here, so you can play with that. Plenty of amenities, good amenities too, I will say for sure. And so over here we've got just all the great stuff that they stock with. And then there's the toilet room. So the tiny little room with just the toilet, which is awesome. So someone can be using that while other people still get to use the bathroom. And a beautiful shower bathtub. And there's that loud dryer buzzer with just, again, gorgeous tile work. I feel like we could do a video on tile work at Animal Kingdom Lodge. So anyway, funky, not the best. We always look at the shower head too, so it's pretty generic, normal shower head, but the pressure at least was awesome. And odd nozzle here that took us a minute to find out. Basically, you just have to be forceful with it. Like I thought I was gonna break it, but we turned it on. The refillables, of course. And it is also, it's a jetted tub, which, if that's your thing. Okay, and then now we'll do the bedroom. So no actual closet, but we have the wardrobe. So So that's where you'll find your safe and all your hangers and everything. Plenty of outlets around. And then again, same charging situation over here where we have the entertainment center, 2 regular outlets, 2 USB, 2 regular outlets, 2 USB. And you have the suitcase thing to put your suitcase on. We have another door out onto the same veranda, which is awesome. You go out there right from the master bedroom. So a couple chairs, more over here. Love this about Disney. You're never gonna have trouble charging all of your things. 3 regular outlets, 2 USBs. King size bed. This bed was much more comfortable. I would put Key West a tiny bit above it, but I slept pretty comfortably on this one. And ceiling fan also in the bedroom. And then always, of course, you have your beautiful, we all know it, but the little Simba and Nala on the bed. We have what we believe is an ostrich egg. The theming, the decor, the artwork, I really wish I could go into more depth on it, but we're about to get kicked out of our room. So yeah, that is Animal Kingdom Lodge, 1-bedroom villa, Jambo house. And this is Zebra Trail with an Arusha view, which from what we know is the best of, because there are different Savannah views. And the Arusha view is supposed to be the best one because the cast members do a little bit more, because it's closer to the main hub where you also have the other viewpoints. And so they kind of incentivize the animals to spend a lot of time on the Arusha Savannah. So if you want like the best Savannah view you can get, I would recommend calling and adding that to your room request and saying that you'd like an Arusha view specifically. You never know if you're actually gonna get it, but it's always worth a try. So anyway, but we've been very happy here. There's definitely been plenty of space for 2 adults and 1 child. And yeah, I think that's what I have for you today.